Taking a taxi. Let's first learn some useful English words. Fare. The fare came out to $14.80. Detour. I'm gonna have to take a detour. Running late. I'm running a little late.
Good morning. Where are you headed?
Hi, good morning. I need to get to 84 Commerce Street, please. It's downtown near the Central Library.
Commerce Street, gotcha. You in a rush? You look a little stressed there.
Yeah, I have a job interview at 9:30 and I'm running a little late. So, if you could take the fastest route, I'd really appreciate it.
Say no more. I know a shortcut that'll skip most of the morning traffic.
Thank you so much.
Don't worry, we'll get you there. So, job interview, huh? What kind of work do you do?
I'm in marketing. This is for a position at a communications company.
Oh, nice, nice. First interview with them.
Second, actually. I had a phone interview 2 weeks ago, and they called me in for this one.
Hey, second interview is a great sign. They wouldn't bring you in if they weren't interested, right?
That's what I keep telling myself.
Uh-oh. They've got construction on Fifth Avenue. I'm gonna have to go around.
Is that going to add a lot of time?
Maybe 5-6 minutes extra. Sorry about that. I didn't know they were doing work there today.
It's 9:14, so I'll get there around 9:25.
Yeah, should be around that. You'll have a few minutes to spare. I'll take Oak Avenue instead. Longer way around, but no construction.
Okay, that's fine. I can work with that.
We'll come out about a block north of where you need to be. Here we are, 84 Commerce Street, and it's only 9:22. Plenty of time.
Thank you. And thanks for the conversation too. It actually helped me relax a little.
That's what I'm here for.
Okay, 9:23. 7 minutes early.
There you go. And hey, good luck in there. You're going to be great.
All right, let's do this.
Must know phrases. I need to get to. I need to get to. Could you take the fastest route? Could you take the fastest route? Keep the change. Keep the change.